Plugs into car harness at radio. Power 4 speaker. For 1995 to 2003 Kia. OEM Style. Allows for the installation of an aftermarket radio using the existing factory wiring and connectors. For Kia models with 20-pin connections. Top reviews from the United States. Quick install from a workbench assembly. Factory harness adapter for the Kia. Made it a 5-minute connection time to the gang plugs on the back of my aftermarket radio deck. Simple and easy. Even matched the colors on the new radio harness. It works fine, easy. Nothing complicated here. Just a harness that allows you to splice like colored wires, red to red, violet to violet. From this harness, to the harness provided by your aftermarket stereo's harness. Then just plug this harness into the Kia's harness. And the stereo works, is wired correctly to each speaker. Kia's wires, and all auto wires, do not subscribe to the standard color scheme. It made the job dummy-proof, and this harness worked fine in my 2002 Kia Sedona.